Kate here with WTI, and have you ever seen a blind go up so smoothly? This amazing custom fit blind is from Tonature. I am so impressed with how perfectly this blind fits in my space. I had a very large window and it was difficult to find a blind that I could use here, but this one was custom made to fit exactly my window like a glove. But I have to say the best part of this blind is there are no cords. So you just gently lift or lower and it will stop anywhere you want with no effort at all. I can even do it with one finger and it will stop. So this version is the light filtering version. I didn't need a black oak curtain in here. It is my kitchen. So I actually like that the light can filter through if I want to put it down during the day, but it gives me that privacy at night for cars driving by. I got mine in white, but they do have different colors. This is in a gorgeous jacquard material. I just love the way it looks and it has a really nice high quality feel. All I had to do was provide my measurements and they did the rest. Installation was a breeze. It comes with what you need, but honestly, you just install your clips. This one is an inside mount and it was screwing right into wood, so I didn't need to use any anchors. I just attached the 4 brackets and it clips right on into place. It has a great valance to cover up the top, so it gives you a finished, clean look. I am blown away by this product. I think it's so awesome. I love the way it fits just right and how it's so easy to use. It glides beautifully, and I think you will be incredibly impressed too. And that's my point of view.